Hi, good morning. This is Mel. Today, in this video, we'll be doing two Japanese black pines. I will be repotting from nursery pot to bonsai pot. Please watch the video. Thank you. We're gonna do repotting today. I'm gonna repot these two Japanese black pines to bonsai pots. This time of the year is the best time to repot these Japanese black pines here in California. I will need these tools. I got all my tools out whenever I do repotting. So here we go. First, I need to get rid of the top. It is very long and some of the tall branches that I don't need. This tree doesn't have much. Most of the tree that I repotted have much more. And the other tree have been cut months ago because the top was dead. Now I'm going to remove the tree from the nursery pot. These 5-gallon pots are more easier to do, unlike the bigger 15-gallon pots, because they have larger taproots inside. I find this technique more easier to do. Using a reciprocating saw is very convenient. Watching a lot of bonsai professionals on YouTube is a very big help. It saves me a lot of time, but not all trees are easy, especially the larger pots. You'll see that in my future videos. Now we have to trim the sides to fit the pot. As much as possible, you have to leave more roots and soil, especially pines. It will have the highest rate of survival and low risk of killing the tree. Since this is the first time repotting this tree to a smaller and shallower pot, I don't recommend bare rooting at this point. Maybe in the next 2 repotting time, when the tree is well established and healthy. Then you can do bare rooting. Pot has been prepared. Screen and wire are installed to hold the tree. Now the pot is already prepared. We're just gonna add soil to the bottom so we can put the tree in. Now I'm gonna position the tree to the desired angle. We want to make sure it's the right one. There is no turning back once you tie the tree to the pot. Once you put the bonsai soil, use a chopstick or any stick to make sure there is no space in there. Every time I tie my wires, I make sure it's hidden. I don't want it visible. It's more neat to look at. We will do the same procedure with this tree. Now I'm going to do the watering. It makes the soil more compact. I will do a couple of wiring to position the branches and have a new leader to make an apex. Because I will not touch this tree in maybe 6 months or so, it's better to wire and position the branches. So I will wire this tree. I put some cut paste on the big cut. So here it is. It doesn't look much right now, but at least it's looking better, and we'll just wait for it to grow, and we're gonna do the series design in the future. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.